Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Would you run if I had a gun? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Hold me in your arms tonight. I got bad hair, baby. Can't get away with pain. I will stand by, oops, you forever. No. You can take my breath away. What? Yes. No, I cannot sing that right now. I know it would be cool, but it's not gonna sound good right now. I want to use the voice I have at the moment for songs where I can sing, you know? And you get it? Meh. Get it? This is crazy. I am looking at songs and I don't know. These all look so difficult. Maybe I'm reaching the end. I sound like Evanescence. I don't know, that's gonna be too high. How can you see into my heart? Eyes, not arms. Like open doors leading you down into my core, where I become so numb. My spirit sleeping somewhere cold. My head voice is really always, especially now. Not so hot. I was recording something and it's like it's a note that I just cannot sing. Why is it? I don't think I can even do it right now. You'll just hear air. Oh, what about the strange Do you guys know that like a lot of us watch Strange Magic together? Do you guys know about that? I said I wasn't going to talk about Fest stuff yet. That's part of Fest. Where we all watch Strange Magic. Wise men say only fools. Yeah, Bibu. That's why Bibu tweeted, wise men say. Wise men say. What else did they sing on that? Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry. I don't want to sing that. What else did they sing? I don't remember. No, how long has it been that I've been looking for a song? Now this is a strange playlist I've created here. What is this one? What is this one?